Cold wash explained. Hello everyone. Today, we'll be diving into the phrase, cold wash. Ever heard of it? If not, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how and when to use it. Cold wash is a term primarily associated with laundry. When someone says they are doing a cold wash, they mean they are washing their clothes in cold water. But why would someone do that? 1. Energy saving. Washing with cold water consumes less energy than using hot water. It's eco-friendly. 2. Protecting clothes. Some fabrics and dyes are sensitive to hot water. Washing them in cold water helps in preserving the color and fabric quality. Just like many English phrases, cold wash can also have a figurative meaning. When used outside of the laundry context, it might be a way to describe 1. A quick review. Let's do a cold wash of the plan before presenting. Here, it means a quick review without going into the nitty-gritty details. 2. Taking a fresh perspective. I need a cold wash on this idea. This could mean looking at something with fresh eyes or from a new angle. To get a better grasp, let's see how cold wash can be used in different sentences. 1. I always cold wash my delicate clothes to make them last longer. 2. Can you give this report a cold wash before our meeting? 3. The colors didn't fade because I gave it a cold wash. And there you have it, the wonderful world of cold wash. Whether you're tossing your clothes into the washing machine or skimming through a project, now you know how to use this versatile phrase. Hope you found this explanation helpful, and remember, English is full of fun phrases just waiting to be explored. Happy learning!